I'm going to make a light piece of work. So first we're going to cover the page with white. So I'm making a light picture. As you can see, I'm adding white all over the page first to make the colours lighter.
I told you that your colours were very nice, and I just thought that it would make sense to show how the colours that you've created
is perfect.
Because I'm using paper, I'm not adding too much water, but if I was using canvas, then I would add
a lot more
water to help the paint. We have yellow, which is the pure color. We have blue, again it's evenly spaced across, and then we have pink. All these colors are evenly spaced across the colorway.
There's always a beauty in painting, and there's always a messy in painting. Don't you see that?